this is test 5, section 4, question 10. Okay, so it's a grading question which talks about two absolute value equations. So the first equation says the absolute value of 10 minus k equals 3. The second says the absolute value of k minus 5 equals 8. We need to look at the value of k. Okay, so there are no answer choices, so this is a grading question. A grading question tells me that I have to solve the equation and then look for the values. So if we have 10 minus k, the absolute value equals 3, that means the difference between 10 and k should be a 3. It tells me that k can be a 7 or k can also be a 13, because 10 minus 7 equals 3 and 10 minus 13 equals a minus 3, the absolute value of which would come out to be a 3. So these are the two possible values for k here. The second equation says k minus 5 equals 8. So the difference between them is 8. Again, I can have k equals a 13, or we can have k equals a minus 3, because a minus 3 minus minus 5 is equal to a 8. Right, so that's pretty simple. Now if you look at both the equations, the only number that works for both of them is a 13. So the answer here would be a 13. So that's what we would grid in on the grids that we are given. So the grids, as you all know, look like this. We have to put in a value here, so let's say a 13, and we would correspondingly highlight the area where 1 and 3 are mentioned. So please make sure that you have to mark both of them, otherwise your answer is not counted. Okay,